Hi everyone, wishing you a very happy new year. This is Nihar.
Welcome to the Gift City updates from the last month of the year, December 2025. Over the past month, Gift City has achieved several landmark milestones that solidify its position as a major financial global hub. Today, we'll explore 30 major developments across various sectors that includes insurance, banking, education, infrastructure, and technology. Whether you are an investor, a CEO, or a fintech entrepreneur, or a strategist, this update reveals where real momentum is building. Let's dive in from the first news. Korean Reinsurance Company has received approval to establish Gift City branch. They're joining Saudi Reinsurance, Kuwait Reinsurance, and AD&IC. Major reinsurance are signaling confidence in Gift. This shows the hub's credibility. This strengthens Gift's position as a global reinsurance hub comparable to London, Dubai, and Singapore. Next news is about Berkeley Insurance. Berkeley Insurance IFSC becomes the first property and casualty insurer with simultaneous insurance and reinsurance licenses. This enables integrated insurance ecosystems, originating policies and managing risks within the Gift City. This signifies historic first accelerating insurance market maturity. The next news is from the Central Park of Gift City. Gift City's Central Park expansion, which is of 27 acres, will feature soccer, pickleball, basketball, golf, cycling, and jogging tracks. It is expected to get ready by March 2026. This transforms Gift City from a finance district into a livable community, attracting and retaining domestic and international talent, competing with the likes of Dubai and Singapore. Now let's talk about some ship leasing business. So Gift is emerging as a premier ship leasing center, reducing India's dependency on the likes of Singapore, Hong Kong, and London for maritime financing. Shipping lines increasingly lease vessels through Gift City based financiers at a competitive Gift City tax advantage rates, strengthening India's maritime competitiveness. This update talks about global capital flows. As India's wealth generation accelerates, $500 billion plus in international investment opportunities will naturally flow through Gift City. Tax clarity, regularity, certainty, and simplified compliance make Gift the obvious infrastructure for India's capital export story. This news talks about Indian investors' globalized portfolios. So Indian investors are increasingly globalizing their portfolios via RBI's LRS through Gift City, accessing US equities, global real estate, and commodities. Gift City's investment platforms offer simplified KYC, transparent pricing, and consolidated reporting in comparison to direct overseas brokers. This represents a structural wealth globalization shift. This is a very big news, and that's about liquor. Gujarat has eased liquor licensing norms in Gift City, allowing premium bars and restaurants across the zones in the Gift City. With this change, every international or domestic individual can enjoy liquor in Gift City by just showing a valid ID card. This policy change, which is limited again only to Gift, it is not statewide. It signals Gift's confidence to match Dubai and Singapore in lifestyle amenities, critical for national and international talent recruitment and retention. This news talks about Gift City's mutual fund taxation for NRIs and residents. Gift has published explicit taxation guidelines for mutual funds covering dividends, capital gains, and long-term treatment for both NRIs and the residents. Tax clarity removes barriers and accelerates institutional capital inflows. Institutional investors require explicit tax certainty before committing the capital. Let's talk about something for education. Both Vruksh will implement a single centralized admission system for all the enrolled foreign universities, streamlining enrollments across 5+ universities serving 5,000 and above students. This makes foreign university education in India more accessible and user-friendly, accelerating GIFT's education hub reputation. Let's talk about the GIFT City's growth over the last major 3 years. GIFT City has surpassed $100 billion assets under management from just tens of millions just 3 years ago. This validates GIFT's infrastructure regularity, credibility, and institutional acceptance. A $100 billion ecosystem creates network effects, attracting fintech startups and emerging asset managers. Let's talk about reinsurance again. 9 foreign reinsurers are planning to set up offices in the GIFT City. Saudi Reinsurance, Kuwait Reinsurance, ADNIC, Korean Insurance, and lot many others are actively establishing GIFT operations. Premium surged to fourfold in GIFT's reinsurance segment, positioning GIFT as the Asia Pacific reinsurance hub, diverting businesses from Singapore and other established centers worldwide. Ernst & Young identifies 3 key GIFT opportunities: corporate treasury and consolidation, fundraising and capital structuring, and asset management operations. This validation shows GIFT isn't just a financial center, it's reshaping how multinationals structure global operations. Now, this update is specifically for investors. GIFT City funds operate under IFSCA. They are not falling under SEBI. So they are not subject to the SEBI's $7 billion overseas investment cap. This means accredited investors can access uncapped international exposure via GIFT City. The funds from GIFT City gives opening to new opportunity for HNIs and family offices. Now let's talk about tax holidays for aircraft leasing business. India is considering for extending 10 to 15 years of tax holiday specifically for aircraft leasing companies in the GIFT City. It is important because it would compete with Singapore, Ireland, and Germany. This could attract 20 to 30 additional aircraft leasing firms and strengthens Indian Airlines' global competitiveness through cheaper aircraft financing. Now let's talk about strategic tax initiatives for global competitiveness. GIFT offers 100% tax exemption for 10 years out of 15, 9% MAT, 0 GST, 0 customs duty, CAPEX supports at 30% up to 50 crores, OPEX support again at 30% up to 20 crores per year, and 100% EPF reimbursements. Combined, a $10 million operation will save around $3 to $5 million annually in comparison to the likes of Singapore and Dubai. Big move by Policy Bazaar. Policy Bazaar has launched a seamless US dollar investment products for NRIs through the GIFT City infrastructure. This brings retail grade accessibility to global investing from tax-savvy millions instead of just HNIs. Each Policy Bazaar user becomes a GIFT City user, dramatically expanding addressable market. HSBC and Ernst & Young join hands. HSBC and EY have jointly published a comprehensive GIFT City compendium covering real-world use cases, derivative trading, reinsurance architecture, treasury consolidation, and financial acceleration. This knowledge resources reduces barriers to understanding and entry for multinational corporation. Lloyd's of London, the world's oldest insurance market since 1688, is exploring GIFT City entry. Lloyd's presence validates GIFT's maturity and positions GIFT in the global insurance hierarchy alongside London itself. This is symbolic and a strategic milestone for the GIFT City. Let's discuss something about submarine cables. Hinox Group's submarine cable landing station investment signals that GIFT's fintech and digital operations are reaching scale requiring ultra-low latency international connectivity. Submarine cables carry trillions of cross-border transactions, which makes it critical infrastructure for fintech and digital banking. Let's talk something about overseas investments via Gift City funds, of course related to tax simplicity. Gift City funds offer transparent, simplified taxation versus direct overseas brokers. Dividends, capital gains, and long-term treatment are explicit and audited in the Gift City. This clarity attracts institutional investors, pension funds, insurance companies, endowments requiring standardized reporting. Another news from the insurance world. SUD Life, which is an insurance company, has launched a global investment fund from Gift City, offering international diversifications to HNIs and the institutional clients. This exemplifies the GIFT's regulatory framework, which enables seamless multi-service expansion beyond the traditional underwriting. IDFC First Bank launches a specialized global savings account for NRIs with US dollar denomination, multi-currency transactions, and DTA aligned tax optimization. This directly competes with the offerings of Singapore and the United Arab Emirates by leveraging Indian brand familiarity and Gift City advantages. Two biggies, IFSCA and IIT Gandhinagar, are joining hands. IFSCA is partnered with IIT Gandhinagar for fintech research, innovation labs, and talent development. This builds intellectual capital alongside the financial capital, which the GIFT is already known for. The university research translates into fintech startups operating from GIFT with regulatory sandbox support, accelerating innovation cycles. This news is really big for all the students and parents who are willing to send their kids to study abroad. Foreign university campuses in GIFT and elsewhere in India could retain 5 to 6 lakh students domestically by 2040, saving $113 billion in forex. Currently, 7 lakh plus Indian students study overseas annually, spending $20 to $25 billion in foreign currency. Domestic university campuses represent massive education-enabled forex conservation. So now you can just be in India and get the foreign degree and save a lot of bucks for yourself and the government as a whole. And let's talk something about the research being done by Dovetail Capital. They have done an analysis which identifies GIFT's tax certainty as its primary competitive advantage. Predictable, stable tax treatment over the 10 to 15 years period enables investors to model returns confidently. This tax certainty differentiates GIFTs from mainland India's frequently changing tax policies. Let's talk about the Neo Asset Management first independent multi-AMC fund. Neo Asset Management has launched India's first independent multi-AMC fund from the Gift City, consolidating multiple specialized asset managers into one single fund. This innovative model reduces concentration risks and offers diversified expertise, validating GIFT as a place where financial innovation happens. Let's talk about some legal considerations about foreign university campuses setup. GIFT IFSC offers significantly simpler and legal pathways for foreign universities versus mainland India. Faster approvals, unified regulations, land availability through GIFT Authority. This clarity enables brochure partners and the world-class both-direction design is expected to accelerate international campus expansion in India. Budget 2026 is not far away and IFSCA is already ready with its expectations. Ahead of Budget 2026, IFSCA formally requested simplified tax rules for gift-rooted overseas investments. The regularity advocacy signals proactive maintenance of GIFT's competitiveness and suggests favorable tax policy evolution in the coming budget. Commonwealth Games coming up. Gujarat's 2030 Commonwealth Games bid positions Gift City as primary hub and venue, accelerating billions in infrastructure capex over the next 5 years. Stadiums, hotels, hospitality, metros, and technology centers all are gonna be here. For real estate and infrastructure operators, this represents a massive growth story. IT and AI City planning to become neighbors to the Gift City. Adjacent to the Gift City, Gujarat is planning to develop an AI and IT city focused on technology, innovation, AI, and cybersecurity. This cluster effect creates powerful agglomeration. Financial hub Gift adjacent to technology hub, which will be covering IT and AI. This is going to offer fintech companies an ideal ecosystem with regulatory authority, tech talent, and the infrastructure. So this is all about the Gift City's December 2025 momentum, where we have talked about 30 major developments, which demonstrates graduation from alternative Singapore and Dubai to the destination of choice for insurance, banking, investment services, fintech, and emerging technology. Tax advantages, regulatory clarity, infrastructure, and lifestyle amenities make Gift essential for 2026 strategy. Subscribe, share, and stay updated on Gift opportunities. With me, I'm Nihar. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the new year with the January 2026 updates. Last but not the least, if you are looking forward to set up your office in the SEZ of the Gift City, so we are very happy to help you out. We would help you in providing all the consultation on how you can save major bucks. We would help you in the certification consultation and provide all the support. Other than that, you're looking forward for a residential or a commercial investment in Gift City, or you're looking forward for some commercial space, whether office or showroom on lease. We are just a call and an email away. Please get in touch with us with the contact details mentioned right there in the slide. Thank you so much. Stay updated. See you soon.